Imagine you're in a bay, and in that bay it's swarming with sharks, and your tour guide says to you, off you go, jump in. Now I don't know about you, but my first reaction would be, thanks but no thanks, I quite like my limbs where they are. No Limits Adventure have a tour just like this, but these sharks don't bite.
This is the 2-in-1 Shark and Volcano Tour. Roughly 2 hours long, we'll get the chance to walk amongst friendly lemon sharks before heading on up to the famous crater of Verde. You will be collected by bus at your location, and then we'll make our way to Shark Bay. The No Limits Adventure tour guide will tell you all about these fascinating creatures, as well as the volcano and the salinas that reside in the crater. The guides have extensive knowledge about Sal and its wildlife, so feel free to pick their brains and ask them some questions. This tour requires suitable footwear. You can wear your own or rent a pair of shoes on site.
That's refreshing.
Once we've said bye to the sharks, the bus will take us up to the edge of the crater, where you can overlook the entire volcano in all its glory.
Seeing the crater from up here just gives it a whole new perspective. I mean, it is huge. Just look at the size of it.
Truly insightful and unique tour, getting up close and personal with nature and seeing the raw beauty of Sal Island.